I knew Russell Westbrook still loved the Lakers, man. That's still his favorite team growing up. You know, um, the Denver Nuggets blew a lead versus the T Wolves. The T Wolves came back and won this game up in. It took two overtimes though. It took two overtimes, but they came back and won this game. Russell Westbrook fouled at the buzzer. Homie went to the free throw. Hey, we need Shea cousin. I can't think of his name. Nicholas. We need we need Nicholas on his Lakers team next year, man. You know, he a 3-and-D guard. You know, that's what we need. But thank you, Russell Westbrook. Thank you, man. We a half a game behind the the Nuggets now, man. Appreciate you, Russ.